Naga Mijam Taruk Fazin Kiba Adu Tigatnaba Huzik Fawi Oina State Lengaktagi Makal Amatagi Intimation Nia Na Phangba Leitri Haina Deputy Solicitor General of India na Kota Thamkre Haide Lailon Wi-Fi Kuldagi Fakiba Naga Mijam Taruki Matangda Tangalakiba PIL Ama High Court of Manipur na Lakot Kray Public Interest Litigation PIL Adu Naga Lawyers Association Manipur Presidents Oiba Advocate Deep Mark Kapaina Petitioner Oiraga High Court of Manipur da Tharakibane PIL adu ngasi High Court of Manipur Chief Justice M Sundar Amadi Justice Akoijam Bimol anigi bench da pukhalaktuna High Court of Manipur gi court number 1 da khanakhe case asigi matang da ngasi court da khanakhe wafam sing paudom laduna petitioner gi maikai da lepliba advocate D Julius Ria maina hai fa khiba naga micham taruk ngasi fauba mafam khangna leire makoi ase hauji hinglibra natragana sikharbra haibase kana amata na khangba leitre Thaudok asigi matang da thangalakhiba PIL ama High Court of Manipur na lokhatlei matter ase ngasi Chief Justice M Sundar amade Justice Ahan Them Bimol gi bench na lokhatuna khanakhe ngasi khanaba aduda thaudok asigi matang da state lengak na hojik fawada paikhat khiba thabak singi report haibate action taken report ATR lak liba ningthokaba fawri manungda lankhalaknaba court asina state lengak ta yathang tawthokhe Action taken report ase Manipuri Chief Secretary na file tawrakadabani haina so direction piki haina mangna phongdokhe mangna makhata na hai thodok asigi matang da laingakna thadorakhiba press release amada thodok ase NIA da sinakre haide adubu ngasi court ta khanakhiba aduda Deputy Solicitor General of India na Nagamicham taruk phakhiba thikanabagi matang da hojik fawi oina state lengaktagi makhal amatagi intimation NIA na Phangba Leitri haina phongdokhe Statement ase ngasigi court ki order da record tawkhrei case ase karamba maikai da lakani haibadu lakliba ningthaukawa nimitta yengminasi haina mangna makha takhe
The Honorable Court directed the state government to file an action taken report ATR by Monday. What action have they taken till thus far? What did the state government do, or what are the measures that have been taken till today, because they have been abducted since 13 May 2026. Almost more than 20 days has gone. We don't know their whereabouts. So the court said, you bring an action taken report definitely by Monday. And this action taken report has to be filed by the Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur. It has been stated in the press release by the Government of Manipur that the matter, the investigation for this case has been handed over to the NIA, National Investigation Agency. However, today in the court, the Deputy Solicitor General for India made a statement in the court that the NIA is yet to receive any intimation from the state government till today. That has also been recorded by the Honorable High Court in its order today. So we will see what happens on Monday, what kind of action they have taken, what are the steps that the government has taken, we will see on Monday.